What is going on, guys? So if you have ever watched any of my videos, then you probably know that something is missing. Yeah, so what is missing is the 335i, and where is it at? Well, it's sitting in a parking lot at Advanced Auto Parts with coolant everywhere. Last night I was on the way to hang out with my friend, and the coolant hose blew off the oil filter housing. So coolant went everywhere, the car started smoking. Luckily I was right in front of Advanced when it happened, so I pulled right in and ended up like pushing my car into a spot. They have the part that I need, but it needed to be there the next day, or it wasn't gonna be there till the next day. So today's the next day, obviously, and I gotta go there and fix my car in the parking lot, and hopefully everything is good with it. So, you know, Brandon came through clutch and came to help me drive it. Now we're gonna get some tools.
What you need?
Some tools. There's no tools there.
You should give me a bottle of this for free.
Oh yeah, Shine Armor, the best in the game. I'll put the link down below if you want to buy this stuff. I mean, it's amazing. There's a whole video about it. I'll also put that in the link down below. But yeah, got all the tools. Woo! What do we need, Brandon? What do you think we need?
This is what you said you needed, right? Yeah, I don't have. Or
Yeah. We need one more thing. This right here is the best tool ever invented.
What do you need an impact for a hose?
There's two 10mm bolts on the hose.
Alright, well, whatever. If you want to use an impact for 2 10mm, let's go.
But yeah, guys, we're gonna go to Advanced now and hopefully get this thing fixed. Alright, guys, so yeah, I don't know if you know what that is, but that's Advanced Auto Parts, boy. Look at this. Let me show you what happened. So there's a little hose right here. If it'll focus, right there. And there's a little hose here, it goes here, you know, and it's corroded and it broke. And the whole thing was covered in water earlier, but I guess after a day it goes away. But yeah, so we're gonna hurry up and get this done. And I gotta bleed the coolant system. And then hopefully this car will be back to normal. Because like I'm tired of these little things that keep happening, mostly with the coolant. Because just about a week ago, this line snapped like right here. It was actually a makeshift line, that's why I got the OEM one. But and then when I was pulling it off, this thing's the little nipple here snapped, and then so I had to replace this whole hose too. So this is new, this is new. I'm probably gonna go ahead and do all the little hoses eventually, just to get it. All right, guys, so I had a little hiccup. Well, a big kind of hiccup. Well, I don't know what you want to call it, but basically that hose runs from the oil filter housing down into the bottom, and then makes a little, like, does this and connects to this metal piece, I think. I don't know, I can't see it that well from where I'm at, but so I need to jack the car up and pull the under panel off so I can get to it. Well, the problem is, I'm gonna shut the door because people are looking at me all weird, but the problem is that I don't have a jack. And Brandon said, hey, I have the 10mm. I was like, okay, make sure you have a 10mm, because that's the biggest issue. People lose 10mm all the time. If you work on cars, you know 10mm always get lost. And he's like, oh no, I got one, don't worry about bringing one. We open up his toolbox, and the one socket that's missing is the 10mm. So we go in there and we get a 10mm from Advanced. He let me borrow one, but the problem is with that 10mm is that it's a quarter drive, and I need 3/8 for my impact, so I can't use that, and I gotta pull the under panel off, and I don't feel like doing that with a ratchet. So luckily someone's bringing me a jack and my little jack pad I bought for this car because it's stupid. Anyway, so that, and then the 10mm, and hopefully I can get everything done relatively quick, because I'm kind of tired of just sitting here waiting, because that's really all I've been doing, is just sitting here waiting. I don't have anything to do. I already took the top piece off, and I just can't reach the bottom piece. And yeah, guys, so it's been kind of eventful here, honestly. So the day just keeps going downhill. Like, every time I come back, all right, it just worse and worse and worse. So Brandon went to go get the angle grinder to fix this thing, and he went to go back to get one, and his reservoir cracked or something, and he did basically the same thing as me, same situation. So I don't know what to do. All right, guys, so it's been it just keeps getting worse, but then it just got a little better. So this is the hose. All right, it goes from the oil filter housing to the back of the thermostat, I'm pretty sure. The actual piece that broke is just this little clip piece broke off on this side. So I ended up taking the old hose and taking this little ring off. And what I'm gonna try to do is angle grind this to cut it off and then just install this and put a regular hose clamp. Just to see if it'll work, because in the Advanced Auto Parts parking lot is not the place that I wanna be trying to get back to the water pump and thermostat. And it's just not looking good for me. And I've been here for a while. The car had to sit here overnight, which sucked, but then I came back and I've probably been here for, I'd say, a couple hours trying to figure all this stuff out with having to get the tools and everything. And I gotta go to the bathroom. You know, I've been left this spot for like 3 or 4 hours. Like, I gotta pee. So I go in there to try to go to the bathroom, and I asked, hey, do you guys have a bathroom? She said no. Like, I get, you might not have a bathroom for customers, which makes no sense at all to me. It's a auto parts store. You'd think they'd have a bathroom. I don't know why they wouldn't, but they don't have a customer bathroom. She would not let me use the employee bathroom, I guess, because you know they gotta have a bathroom. But what sucks is I literally can't leave, so I'm literally stuck here waiting for someone to come pick me up so I can go grind this thing off. And it just sucks. Like, that's the kind of shit that makes me not want to ever come back to this place again. Like, if I don't have to, I'm not coming here. Like, it don't matter. It doesn't matter what. I'm not coming back to at least this one. I mean, other Advanced might have been fine. And what sucks is I think it was the manager that was like that. The guy that actually helped me out with the part, he actually was nice and he hooked me up and everything. But the manager, I guess, she's not cool. She was very rude about it, and you know, I was respectful. I just asked her, she said no, and I just walked out. And I'm just from now on, I'm just never gonna come back here because of that. So if anyone watches this, probably, I'm not even gonna tell where it's at because I don't even want to start all that. But yeah, so I'm gonna start going to AutoZone because I know that they let me use their bathroom every time that I'm there. If I would have had a choice, I would have chose AutoZone, but I literally broke down right on that road, right out there. So like, I couldn't. But yeah, so this has kind of been a stupid ordeal. I'm hoping that I can cut this off without cutting the plastic piece, and then put a regular hose clamp around it, and it will work at least for a while. And if it goes out again, I'm gonna go ahead and just buy another one. Not from here though, I'm gonna go to AutoZone to buy it. But yeah, so I gotta do that, and hopefully everything works out. It's been such an ordeal, but if it does work out, that's a good hack for you guys, because most of these hoses, I don't think the actual hose goes bad that easily. I know the one hose did, but I think that was an aftermarket hose, that wasn't OEM. But I don't think the hoses actually go bad. I think most of the time it's just these plastic pieces just deteriorate. So if this does work, it is an easy hack. Instead of trying to get all back in there and fix all that, just take that little ring off. It was super easy on the other one. You literally just bend the hose and it can come right off. So that's not the problem. The problem is on the new hose. But yeah, guys, that's a little hack if it works. If it doesn't work, then I wouldn't do it. But yeah, guys, let me know down in the comments if anyone's ever done it. Just curious if anyone's ever done that, or if they just do it the hard way. But yeah, guys, hopefully my ride gets here soon so I can fix the car, because it's not been a fun day for me. It's definitely not been a good day. It's Friday. It's not good. But yeah, so if I would have done it the other way, it would have took way longer, and it would have been way faster if I would have figured that out sooner. Shout out to Matthew for telling me to do that. But yeah, guys, if the hose isn't actually broken and it's just the plastic pieces, that's an easy way. I just took like a grinder, like a small little grinder. I don't know why I can't think of what it is right now, but I just used that to cut it without cutting the actual plastic piece, and it actually worked really well. It literally took a few minutes, and everything would have been so much faster if I would have done that from the beginning. But yeah, guys, so if you guys have that problem, just cut it off and do it that way, because it works fine. Just the pack of rings are like $3 for a big pack of them, so it ended up working out good. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, and give a like because I had a bad day too. Like, and a subscribe, maybe right over here somewhere. Yeah, I'm actually painting my car once again. I tell you guys this all the time, but painting my car when I get to 500, the 300ZX I have. And also I'm doing a giveaway, so go subscribe, you can win some free stuff, and my car will get painted too, so for me. But yeah, I appreciate it, guys. All right, guys, peace.